So without further ado, here is the new car. But I'm stuck. Wow. Wow. Woo! Hello everybody, a really quick JQonthego video here. I am out with my 2015 Ford Mustang GT. This is the S550 generation. And I just wanted to show everybody. And you can see we have our two windshield wipers here. These are the Motorcraft windshield wipers that I got from LMR. We have one that is 19 inches and another one which is 21 inches. I'll leave this here so everybody can see the part numbers. And now I'm gonna put them on. So now to put them on, I'm gonna start with the 19-inch one first. Then I'm gonna move to the 21-inch. So I'm gonna lift this up. Might be right out of frame, so I'm gonna move this just a hair. And first clip it up here. Squeeze the two tabs. Like that. Got it all clipped in. Now our first new windshield wiper is down. Now we're going to do the passenger side. So you can see this little clip on the top. It clips right onto here. And all I did was push this down and bring it up. Now we're back on this side with our 21-inch windshield wiper here. Lifting this up. Oh, you ran out of time?
Yeah. I'm just rinsing it off.
And then just like that, they're already clipped in. Make sure that these tabs are in. Put that down. Bada bing, bada boom. Just hopped in the car to make sure these work so much better than these ones that have been on the car since 2015. I know this was a super short video, but I hope that you enjoyed. Please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a good one. Bye!